Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to remove your Facebook friends all at once. So in order to do that, if you need to remove all of your Facebook friends, you just need to follow this video and you'll be good to go. Most of the time, what happen is that you can't remove all of your friends because if you do that option, it will only give you the option of removing one friend at a time. So if you need to remove all of the friends at once, you just need to follow this video and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to go to this Chrome store. I would recommend you use Google Chrome as a browser, as a default browser, and then you go to this Chrome store. And from here, what do you need to do? You have to write l.o.c here and search for it. Here you go. This extension you need to download and you need to add it to your Chrome. Add extension. And it will want us to log into our Facebook. So let me just log in and I'll get back. So you can see I've logged in and it is now added to my Chrome extension. We can just search it from here and we can go to this extension because we have logged into our Facebook. It might ask again to log in. Let's just wait and see. No, I've already logged in. So you can see there's this option of friends remover here. So what we can do, we can just click here. And you can see here's my account. And here you can see these are all of my friends. And I have like 1,257 friends. And they're also going to show the status of these friends. Are they active or not? So what we can do is we can select all this and then we can delete it. So it's as easy as it is. We can click just delete and it will be deleted right away. This is the best way to delete every friend, all the friends that you have all at once. Otherwise, you would need to just go into your account and then go here down on friends. Here are your friends. And then you would have had to delete them one by one, which was, I would say, very tedious to do. So this is the best way. Otherwise, let me just show you. Otherwise, yes, you would have had to go to these profiles one by one and delete them. But like this, you can delete all the friends that you have all at once. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.